my god!
Garbage.
Oh my god!
Garbage.
Oh my god!
Garbage. Huh? This is not garbage because this is MagicJohn's second generation screen protector. Unlike these that break instantly with a light tap of my finger, our second gen is here to protect your screen properly. And it's also extremely easy to apply because you don't even need to worry about dust, alignment, air bubbles. Just put it on top, hold it as removable tape, swipe and peel. Now swipe from the middle to make it absorb faster. Swipe the edges like this. And as you can see, no dust, no air bubbles, less than 15 seconds. Privacy origin protects your privacy from both sides at 28 degrees. Hydrophobic, electroplated, oleophobic layer makes your screen silky smooth and fingerprint proof. It is scratch resistant and extremely durable. And if you like it, you get 2 inside the box, so click the yellow card and purchase it now.